Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be drawing the front elevation and the development for the given cone. All right. In the previous video, we looked at the drawing of the cylinder and we were asked to draw the development for the cylinder. So here is the cone and we'll also be drawing the development for it. So here we have the plan at the top and below is the front elevation for the cone. So the first thing that we're going to do after we have drawn the front elevation and plan for the cone, from the apex to the incline, we're going to draw an arc equal to the length of the side. All right. All right, so we're gonna go up, all the way up. Yes, enter. Right, so that's the first step. All right, the next step is to divide the plan into 12 equal parts as shown on the screen. And also we're gonna scribe 12 arcs of the same radius from the base of the triangle representing the cone in the front elevation. Okay. Then we're going to draw lines from the apex going to these divisions that we drew. So let us continue. So it's there to there to there. I'm going to draw another line again from the arcs which were drawn on the semicircle for the cone, there, there, enter. And then the last one will be this one. Right, so this now this would be the development for the cone, right? All right, so we're gonna darken the front elevation for the cone, which is represented by a triangle, right? I'm gonna go and draw the arc. Here it is, right? And then we need a line for the outer. Good. So this would be the develop. All right, so on the screen is the finished product for the development for the cone, right? So this part on the right of the cone is the development, right? So in today's video, we looked at development of the cone, and in the next video, we'll be looking at auxiliary projection. So thanks for watching. I'd love to know your thoughts about the video. All right, so see you then. Bye.